Hello, I'm Archana and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fill My Plate. Today we are going to be preparing an appetizer broccoli soup. It's one of its kind, it's creamy, rich, and even kids will love it. So this particular video is available in two different languages, English and Tamil. The link is provided in the description below, so you can quickly go there and check the other video as well. And if you like this video, kindly do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Broccoli, half a liter milk, mozzarella cheese, white pepper, butter, garlic, all-purpose flour, 2 cheese slices and salt. To begin, boil the broccoli in a saucepan until tender. Filter the boiled water from broccoli and keep both the stock and the broccoli aside. Now heat another saucepan on the medium flame and add about 100 grams of butter to it and let it melt. Now it's time for one of my favorite parts of the process. Time to add our diced garlic into the pan and fry it in the butter and breathe in the appetizing aroma. I'm sure you will really love this. And we'll now add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour in the butter and stir it continuously. It is important to keep stirring to prevent it from sticking to the pan. And the quantity I use in the video will feed about 6 people, so adjust your measurements according to the number of people you plan to serve. So yeah, you can always customize the recipe according to your taste, needs and preferences, and that's about it. Add your own twist to it and make it your own. Again, ensure it doesn't form any lumps, so keep stirring. We'll now add half of the milk to the pan and mix it well. While we wait for the boil, let's get back to the broccoli that we had kept aside. Mash it into small pieces, or you can just break it into big chunks as well if you like. I prefer it into that's mashed into small pieces as it's easier to drink with the soup. Now back to our saucepan. That's the beautiful consistency we're looking for. We'll add a glass of water to get the quantity we need. We can again regain the consistency later when we add more milk and cheese. So I prefer to add a bit of water and a bit of broccoli stock as it gives a perfect flavor to the soup. If you like, you can also stock. You can only use the stock as well and adjust the consistency. Now time to add some cheese into the mixture, and so we'll just pour the cup of mozzarella and also the cheese slices and stir until they melt and dissolve. So seasoning time, add some salt and white pepper. Black pepper is also fine. It's as per your taste. So I'm just using the white pepper for this. And let's also add the remaining milk and stir it continuously. Ensure the flame is still medium and not high. It's a slow cooking process, and the whole process for the soup takes about 30 to 45 minutes. So I'm just putting the remaining milk now, and I'll keep stirring in between. So this is the consistency. You can keep stirring however you want it to, but please keep stirring. Now let's add the broccoli stock and also add the mashed broccoli into the pan, saving a little for the garnishing, of course. And stir well, and you should not leave it. You just have to keep stirring in the low or medium flame. The soup should now come to a boil after we add the mashed broccoli into the mixture. So I'm just adding the broccoli that we mashed earlier, and I'll quickly mix them well, and I'll just keep stirring. See, our soup is almost ready. Now switch off the flame and serve it hot or boil a bit more to get an even more thick and creamy soup. If that's something that you like, and that's the consistency that's perfect for me. See, the consistency that you see there, it's perfect for me. So I'm just gonna switch off the flame, and your super rich, creamy, super duper yummy soup is now ready. I bet even the broccoli haters would love this soup. Bon appetit and happy slurping.